when I realised that my Apple Watch could literally run my entire baking brain for me, it completely changed my life and meant that I didn't have to rely on my slightly golfish style memory. I use my Apple Watch now daily, and not just for telling the time. It's great. If I need to set a timer, I've got a cake in the oven, I've got cupcakes in the oven, brilliant. Just talk to the watch. If I want to convert cups to grams, incredible. Just ask Siri. If I suddenly have a little fancy for some chocolate chip cookies and want to know what the best recipe is, talk to the watch. And I can't recommend it enough. I'm sure other products or other versions are available, but I think I'll stick with this one. My Apple Watch is basically the organised version of me. Use tech. Tech is amazing when it works, and it works even in the kitchen when we're baking or happily cooking along.